Hello. Hey guys. Welcome. So we are Rennie Orchards here in Michigan. We offer a variety of things you can do. We have pumpkins available. We have apple picking. Later in the month we'll have a trunk or treat. Other than that, we're just a little small community here.
We are here at Rennie Orchards, Michigan, and here they grow more than 20 varieties of apples.
Hey guys, I'm Tiger. Today we are going to do apple picking in the farm. Apple tree, will your apples fall on me? I will cry and I will shout if your apples knock me out.
Tiger and Major are super excited for apple picking. This is a huge apple orchard. Let's explore the different varieties of apples here.
I'll pick some honey crisp apples. Let's go, come with me. This is a row of red gala apples. Look, there's so many and so red.
Red gala apples are used in salads or for eating raw. They are crispy and juicy. Red gala apples have a sweeter flavor.
Can you see those big red apples? Yummy and delicious. Both of these apples are Jola Good apples. Let's go and pick some. Both the sides are either red apples.
Ida red apples are perfect for baking. These are excellent choice for apple sauces, pies and cakes. Ida red apples boast a high vitamin C content.
Look guys, these are delicious, yummy, fresh blondie apples.
Blondie apples have sweet flavor with hint of honey and melon.
These are some crimson apples. These are Fuji apples. Look guys, there's so much variety of apples here.
Apple picking enhances fine motor skill development in kids, where the act of reaching, grasping, and twisting the apples happen.
These are Empire apples. Come with me. These are Macintosh apples. Come. These apples go farm to the market. And we all know, a apple a day keeps the doctor away. Come. Look. Hundreds of apples here. Wow! It is so much fun! Let's pick some apples now. Nature is also enjoying apple picking too. Let's pick some apples. I hope you like my apple picking video. Do like and subscribe, Tiger and Major. Whoosh! Grow with Tiger and Nature.